Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox passes on mobile. First, open your preferred mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari, and go to the official Roblox website. It's crucial to then request the desktop site through your browser's settings, as the mobile site lacks the necessary creator tools. Once the desktop version loads, simply log into your Roblox account to access your creator dashboard and begin the process. Now that you're on the creator dashboard, select the specific experience for which you want to create a game pass. Look for the associated items menu on the left-hand side, and then click on Passes. This section displays all your existing passes. To make a new one, simply tap the prominent Create a Pass button, which will guide you to the next step of customizing your new item. Next, it's time to customize your pass. You'll need to upload an image that clearly represents what your pass offers. This image should be at least 512 by 512 pixels. Give your pass a memorable name and write a brief, informative description. These details are vital for players to understand what they are purchasing, so take a moment to make them clear and engaging. Finally, to make your pass available for purchase, navigate to the Sales tab. Here, you must toggle the Item for Sale option to on. Then, enter the amount of Robux you wish to charge for your pass. Remember, Roblox takes a 70% commission, so you will receive 30% of the sale. After setting the price, click the Save Changes button to publish your new game pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.